The iPhone 18 Pro Max is only weeks away, and it might be the most powerful phone Apple has ever built. This is not just another yearly update. We are not just talking about a slightly faster chip or a minor camera tweak. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to lead a completely new strategy for Apple. It is a device designed to take the entire spotlight. All signs suggest that this upcoming September event could be one of the biggest in Apple's entire history. For the past 4 years, Apple has followed a specific pattern. Every major iPhone event since 2022 was announced exactly 14 days before the keynote. The iPhone 17 event invite went out on August 26th for a September 9th launch. The iPhone 16 followed the exact same schedule. The iPhone 15 did it too, and so did the iPhone 14. 4 years in a row is not a coincidence. Apple loves precision and routine. Multiple reports now suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro event will likely take place on Wednesday, September 9th, 2026. Apple has even informed selected retail employees that a major launch is coming in the first half of September. If the event is on September 9th, then August 26th is the day the invitations should land. This year's event is expected to focus almost entirely on premium devices. Reports suggest we will see the iPhone 18 Pro, the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and possibly Apple's first foldable phone, expected to be named the iPhone Ultra. A foldable iPhone would instantly make this event historic, but something even more unusual is happening with the lineup. The standard, cheaper iPhone 18 is not expected to launch in September at all. Apple is splitting its release strategy. The Pro models will arrive in September 2026, while the regular iPhone 18, iPhone 18e, and iPhone Air 2 will launch separately in spring 2027. This gives the Pro lineup the entire stage without cheaper models stealing the headlines. The iPhone 18 Pro Max brings massive hardware changes to justify this focus. Starting with the display, reports point to a 35% smaller dynamic island, giving you a cleaner look and more screen space. It will also feature a brighter, more efficient LTPO plus OLED panel for smoother scrolling, deeper contrast, and better battery life outdoors. Performance is getting a massive leap with the new A20 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer process. Smaller transistors mean much higher speeds and dramatically lower power consumption. You get faster app launches, smoother high-end gaming, and instant AI processing. To keep all this power running smooth, Apple is adding a larger vapor chamber cooling system inside. This prevents the phone from overheating or throttling during heavy gaming or 4K video editing. The camera system is getting one of its biggest physical upgrades ever. Apple is expected to introduce a physical variable aperture lens. This allows the camera to mechanically adjust how much light enters the sensor, just like a professional DSLR camera. This means real, natural background blur and incredible low-light photos without relying entirely on fake software tricks. To power all these features, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will pack the largest battery ever fitted inside a Pro Max model. Paired with the efficient A20 Pro chip and the new C2 modem, you can expect massive battery life, faster 5G speeds, better signal stability, and improved satellite connectivity in remote areas. This event might also mark a major shift in Apple's leadership. Reports suggest John Terney may lead his first iPhone launch as CEO, with Tim Cook transitioning to executive chairman. A new leader, a new split launch strategy, and revolutionary hardware upgrades make this moment feel huge. In my opinion, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be an absolute performance beast. The combination of a 2-nanometer chip, a physical variable aperture camera, vapor chamber cooling, and a massive battery makes this the most exciting upgrade we have seen in years. It proves Apple is ready to redefine what a flagship phone can do. If you liked this video, please subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.